We're going to jump into Leaf Metal Draft here. I'm just going to do the top 4. Since I can't see anybody in either room, so. Yeah. Just double check. Yeah, okay. So this is a fresh case. We'll do the top 4 tonight. 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, good luck here in Leaf Metal Draft. Best of luck. Recording.
Do you have top signs next month?
Yes.
Or actually,
Yes. Alright. First up, Greg Deichmann on card auto for the Oakland Athletics. First on the board. Black Refractor, Luis Campusano. Black Refractor, 4 of 7. Going out to the San Diego Padres. That is second on the board. Then we have Zach Collins for the Chicago White Sox. Right, yeah. Then a blue refractor. That's a nice one. Lourdes Gurriel. I didn't even know he was in this product for the Blue Jays, I believe. Out of 25, 19 of 25. Toronto, right? Yeah, Toronto confirmed. Blue Jays. For the Mets, Ahmed Rosario, Blue Wave Auto. New York Mets. And last, already tonight, 1 of 1, Mackenzie Gore printing plate autograph. It is the black printing plate. Mackenzie Gore. He is on the Padres. San Diego. Next up, State Pod Auto, Nate Pearson for the Blue Jays again. Toronto Blue Jays again on the board. Blue Wave Auto, Bubba Thompson. I believe he's Texas. Right? Yeah, Texas. Got him an Elite Extra Edition. Next, base M.J. Melendez autograph for the Kansas City Royals. M.J. Melendez. Tanner Houck on card auto going out to the Boston Red Sox. Yep. Green refracting autograph, Adam Hazley. 2 of only 5 for the Philadelphia Phillies. 2 of 5. Last one. Kyle Wright, Blue Wave Auto for the Atlanta Braves. Braves. The Braves. The Atlanta Braves. Next one up. All right. First up, Lozado Armenteros for the Oakland Athletics. This is, again, another one from last year. Slips in here. Pink refractor, Domingo Acevedo for the New York Yankees. That is 3 of only 10. 3 of 10. The Yankees, Domingo Acevedo. Christopher Seiss, base autograph. Hold on, let's see that. I don't know why it's being difficult on Christopher, but he is on the Texas Rangers as well. Wavy Wave. Future star Tanner Houck, Boston Red Sox. Blue Wave Auto, Tanner Houck, Boston Red Sox. Next up, Heliot Ramos, base auto. San Francisco Giants, Heliot Ramos. And a blue refractor, State Pride, Nick Senzel, going out to the Cincinnati Reds. That is 1 of 20. 1 of 20. Nick Senzel for the Reds. Hagen Danner autograph for the Toronto Blue Jays again. Damn. Blue refractor, Miguel Baez. Blue refractor. 20 of 25. Going to the Padres here. San Diego. Blake Hunt on card auto here. That is for the Padres as well. Brandon Little, Cubbies, right? Yep, Chicago Cubbies. Cubs. Adam Hazley, he's the Phillies guy, right? State Pride. Yep, Phillies. Fighting Phils. And last is Nick Allen, gold refractor auto. I believe he's Oakland. 1 of 1 auto for the Oakland A's. 1 of 1, true 1 of 1. Gold refractor auto. It's not the super refractor pattern, but it is a true 1 of 1 gold refractor. Alrighty guys, that wraps up